You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
This one you're looking like this, what's going on?
No, a lot is going on in this palace. A lot is happening and it's driving me crazy.
What is it? Tell me about it.
It's not my sister. She's out to ruin my life. She's out to destroy me, to ruin my relationship with Ezoba. And the worst part of it is that everybody's supporting her.
What's Ezoba saying about it? Even his family, what are they doing?
You already know that everyone is scared of my dad, and he's wrong. But the worst part of it is that Ezoba is even nowhere to be seen. I've not seen him. I've not heard from him.
Have you gone to the palace?
I've gone there. I've been there. He's not there. No one seems to know where he is. It seems as if he just disappeared. He's MIA, like incommunicado, like I can't even reach him.
This is serious, so just calm down. Everything will be fine. He will definitely turn up. Please, just calm down.
Just tired. I'm tired. I'm just tired. Lord, just help me.
I'm deeply in love with you, my baby. Allow me to fall for you.
Ifenkili. I beg a man. Ifenkili. Ifenkili. Did you answer?
Good afternoon. Thank you. How are you? Your mother said you are threatening to kill yourself if you don't marry Ezoba. Why?
Father, Ezoba is my destiny. And no one will stop my relationship with him. Not even my sister Ifato. And if my mother wants to end my relationship with Ezoba, I will end my life.
Shut up! Shut your mouth. You will kill yourself because of a man. What is even wrong with you and your sister? Your sister's womb is affected, so you want to marry the same man? What is wrong with you? This madness, it has to stop. It has to stop. Guess you have forgotten the parents you have. You don't even have pity for your sister. Not even a single one. If I kill it, this has to stop.
Mother, it's obvious people don't even care about my happiness. You would have asked to see the reason why I want to die with Ezoba before crucifying him.
It's okay. Let us hear from her. Thank you. Tell us.
Thank you, Father. Mother, during my youth service, I fell sick. I mean terribly sick. I was rushed to the hospital. Unfortunately, the doctor diagnosed that one of my kidneys was bad. What? And I needed a transplant. I didn't know what to do. I was shattered. I couldn't call you because I know you will call Father. And considering his health, I didn't want to burden my problems onto you people. And if Fatu is even nowhere to be found. So I was just devastated there in the hospital. But fortunately, Ezoba came. God just sent him to me. He inquired what the problem was and the doctor told him I needed a transplant. He volunteered himself to give me his kidney, Mother. Yes. And he did so. I'm living with his kidney right now, one of his kidneys.
I took your notes. From the result of the test, you are going down and needed urgent attention. Except you want to.
I'm trying to reach my people. You know, I can't talk to my father because of his health condition. And my mom traveled out of the country. It's my brother I'm trying to reach, but I can't. I don't know why this thing came at this point. Oh God, this is bad news for me.
You know, in this country, we don't like going for checkup, except the condition becomes critical. But regular checkup can avoid some trouble for us. Your situation is critical and needing urgent attention. Except you want.
Doctor.
Yes, Mrs. Zoro. You are not needed yet.
Wait, is this not the lady we spoke about the last time that needs the kidney transplant?
Yes, she's the one.
Look, I'm here to assist. Doctor, please, I've decided, I've settled with myself that I will donate my kidney. Look, I've been told I'm not going to live. I will die soon. But before I die, I want to do something good. I want to save a life. So don't worry. Perhaps I will be that thief on the cross that Jesus will accept in paradise. So I'm willing to give you my kidney. Okay? Don't worry, everything's going to be fine.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Who are you, please?
Yes, doctor.
Please, who are you?
Don't worry about it. Okay? I'm a donor. That's what is important.
Okay.
Can we go, doctor?
Just bring your hand. Let's go.
What's your name?
I'm Ifenkili. Yes.
It's okay. Everything will be fine.
Thank you.
Just wipe your tears. Put a smile on your face, okay?
Thank you. Oh God, I can't believe this. Thank you, sir. I don't know.
Oh, you had a surgery and you hid it from us. Can you people imagine this girl? Are you my child or a stranger?
You and your sister want to kill us in this family. You want to cause high BP for each and every one of us in this family. Is it not? Thank God the surgery was successful. The devil would have mocked us.
Exactly.
Here.
Hey!
Ifenkili, to your sister, Ezoba is evil. To you, Ezoba is your savior. I pray God will have mercy on your sister so that she will be healed.
Amen. Amen.
Your Majesty,
Father,
shield yourself. I believe God has purpose for everything. If not for Ezoba, Ifenkili wouldn't be alive today. You see?
Mother, Ezoba is the reason I am alive today. And I am pregnant for him.
pregnant? Now I know the reason.
Always fighting every time is battle. What are you fighting for?
Lolo, Adime Gigi fella. Yes. I have not set my eyes on Ezoba for the past 80 years. And I don't know the sort of life he has been living. Your husband has the final say. Whatever he wants to do to him, he is justified. Yes. Nobody can stand and watch his daughters will be destroyed.
It's quite unfortunate. We should be celebrating their wedding. But because of their carelessness and recklessness, which brought this show of shame to us. My dear, Ifenkili is bent on marrying Ezoba. She has never been stubborn to us. For her insisting of marrying him, myself, I'm tired.
I don't know what to say. I have nothing to say about this. It beats me. Yes, Ezoba knows that I cannot support him because I don't support evil. Yes, but let us wait and see to know the outcome of your husband's trip to London. Yes.
I just pray they come back with good news first. Before Ifenkele will elope with your son. Because young ones these days, they can do what one cannot imagine.
You're right.
Honestly.
Well, let's hope for the best.
I pray we hope for the best.
Alcohol is the worst company you need right now.
This life is a misery, isn't it? I mean, we all know that. You remember her words? What goes around comes around and hangs around those that are around because this life is round.
I warned you that the seeds of yesterday goes into the future. Sinking yourself in alcohol is a symbol of weakness. Look, we don't say it's over until we win.
Oh, jeez. God doesn't consider your past to bless your future. Does he? No, he doesn't. I don't even see any future with Ifatu. It's that bad. Her parents are mad at me. Parents, family don't want to see me. My dad has vowed to disown me. Wedding is cancelled. I mean, come what may.
You see, your future is not theirs to decide, but yours. You decide to sell it out, nobody will buy it back for you. You know what to do and where to be. Get an offering. Sow a good seed on the altar of heaven. Shake the altar of heaven. Nothing is impossible.
So they later forgave Ezoba.
There's so much pressure in this palace. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign.
Yes, so I am now the daughter-in-law to Igwe Omeni. Thank you, Mama. Hey, Mommy, I'll miss you. I'll miss you too. I'll miss you.
I thank God for today. You know, you see, a man who planted a mango tree near the expressway and the man who married a beautiful wife, they suffer unknown hardship. When the mango is ripe, people will be throwing stones at the mango. So that's what happened to your marriage. Initially, we were throwing stones at you. It's just like a man that married a beautiful wife. When she's going to market, people will throw stones. And I am happy to see her. It shall be well with you. It shall be well with you. You will deliver safely. Whatever God gives to you, you will appreciate it. You will deliver in peace. I won't bury you. Whoever curses you, he will sleep before power. So you so shall he be.
Ubi Kareka, my son, Igwe has given his blessing. and it's time for me to bless you as a son. You know, the good book says that a man who finds a good woman finds a good thing, and he obtains favor from everywhere, not only from the gods. I bless you today.
Say.
This marriage shall be fruitful.
Say.
This marriage, nothing shall come in between.
Say.
You will live happy.
Say.
You will live happy.
Say.
Your children will train you.
Say.
As you made us happy today, so your children will make you happy.
Say.
I bless you.
Say.
Eh? May you live long.
Say.
You see, in life, when you want to jump into the river to become a fisherman, you will first consult your ancestors. Because when you dip into the river without consulting your ancestors, I think your ancestors will welcome you in their kingdom. Oh, I'm so happy.
Yes.
If your ancestors are pursuing you because of wickedness, even banana leaf, the peels, all of you will not fall down. May your ancestors not remember you. Oh!
So you have to forgive your mother-in-law.
Babe, I was thinking of running an online kitchen.
Okay.
But I just have 200,000. So I was thinking if maybe I would print few flyers, post on my social media, tag few friends, and then if anybody place an order for any meal, I'll just cook and I'll send it out via a dispatch rider instead of staying idle. What do you think?
It's a good idea. As long as it doesn't stress you. And all these useless boys now will now start calling you and now start, you know that they want to order food, they now start disturbing your line.
And this is where jealousy comes in. You know what, babe? No man will see my body except you.
No, I'm only protecting my treasure.
And I'm yours forever.
I don't want trouble. Okay.
Thank you, babe.
Good idea.
So what would you want to eat? Let me start with you.
Pap.
Listen to pap.
Pap and akara.
Pap and akara.
Very simple.
You said you don't want people to stress me. You want to stress. Where should I get?
Buy akara.
Okay.
Don't make akara. Buy.
Okay, babe. Hello? Yes, this is Nina. 3 bowls? Yes, I can make it available. 1 bowl of vegetable, 2 bowls of ogbolo. Yes. Okay, ma. Yes, ma, I won't disappoint. Just that I need to go to the market so everything will be fresh. Just give me like 3 hours. Everything will be available. Yes, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Yes, ma. Yes, ma. Thank you very much. Once the food is ready, I would call for the address. Yes, ma. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Yes! I told my husband. Hello? Yes, I sent the dispatch rider already. You'll get it soon. Yes, thank you, ma. Yes. Okay, thank you. Oh my goodness. Business is going fine.
Who is in this house, oh? Who is home? Where's my son?
Hey, Mama. Welcome, Mama. Good afternoon.
I ask again, where is my son?
Mama, I greeted you. You didn't answer me.
I answered you now. Or are you deaf as well as Barry? Or Sima, I greeted you. Is your greeting going to change the weather of Nigeria? Eh? Where is my son?
Mama, I'm not barren. Neither am I deaf.
I don't know.
And for your son, he went to work. But Mama, you didn't even tell us you were coming.
Hey! Nena, so I'm supposed to seek permission from you before I come to my son's house. I've always known it. You lack manners. No home training! Your mother did not train you well.
Mama, please. I beg you in God's name. I've not done anything to you. You don't have to insult me. Why are you doing this to me? Am I God that gives children? At the right time, God will give me my child.
God will give you child at the right time. Do you think that I don't know that you tied my son? 6 good years now. No child. No child. And my son is in his 40s. And you want me to keep quiet? My only son? Listen. It's either you get pregnant by fire, by force, or you leave this house.
Mama, I want you to understand something.
Educate me.
I'm not the one that gives children. Mama, at the right time, God will give me my own children. And please, Mama, I beg you, if you have been sent to me to destroy me, Mama, please, go back to them and tell them you didn't see me. Moreover, before you came in here, I and my husband, your son, have been living in peace. Mama, please.
You're a stupid girl. I said before you lack home training. Look at you, no child. You've never conceived since you entered this house. Let us say, there was a miscarriage for once. So nothing. My son is living with a man. Man married to a fellow man. Shameless idiot. Look at what she's wearing, married woman. Everything showing. You have spoiled your womb when you are a young girl. That is why you cannot produce anymore. And I want my son not to marry you from beginning, but he never listened to me. Listen, I haven't come for peace. Me, I have come for wahala. You can keep your peace. Because as long as I'm here, Nena, you must get pregnant or you leave this house. Have you heard me? You must get pregnant or you leave my son's house. See, this house will not contain both of us, so I am not going anywhere.
Until you give birth or you leave this house. Useless woman. All she knows every day, chicken, talking. I know, man.
Mama, you never told us you were coming. You came unannounced. Next, said I insulted my wife. You even called her a witch. Mama, why?
Nah. Is this how you welcome your mother? Is this how you welcome the woman that trained you single-handedly? When your father and his wicked family abandoned us under the weather to die, I single-handedly picked you up and raised you. And is this how you talk to me?
However I talk to you, you deserve it. You deserve even more. You came into my house unannounced. Next, you started insulting my wife. You even called her barren. Who does that? Mama, why?
Shut up! Shut your mouth. Anyway, I don't blame you. She has charmed you. She has given you, you have eaten, you have swallowed. It has saturated all your body. But don't worry. I am here to clear it off your head. 6 years. 6 good years of no child in this house. You're busy wasting your sperm. Listen, the sooner you throw away that thing you call wife, the better for you. My wife.
Mama, let me sound it. You see my wife? She's my life. And there's nothing you will do, absolutely nothing you will do to separate us. You understand? I know 6 years no child, yes, but we are good, we are okay. You raised me to trust God. Okay? So, if you're here to cause any trouble or more trouble, I suggest you rethink. Yes, 6 years no child, we are okay. We don't have any problem. If you're here to cause more trouble, please, my door, my gate, they are open. Leave. Take your things and get out. Please.
My dear, it's like you have forgotten who your mother is. 9 months I carried you in my womb. 9 good months I gave birth to you. Now, if you think you can push me by the side just because of that thing you call your wife, you are joking. I go nowhere. If anybody is leaving this house, it's that thing you call your wife. That's witch I call your wife. She should be the one to leave, not you.
Mama, you raised me to trust God. You raised me to believe God. And there's nothing God cannot do. And you're here mocking us, mocking me, mocking my wife, Kamucha. But I have news flash for you. Like I said, my wife is my life. You're my mother. You cannot separate us. Let me tell you something. Very soon, God will shock you because my wife will soon give birth to twins. And when you're ready, you're in trouble. You can leave. If you want to stay here, do not fight my wife again.
Babe, in as much as your mom might have said wrong things to me, you don't have any right to raise your voice at her.
But she has no right to insult you.
I know, baby, listen. Every mother needs a grandchild. We just need to follow her up with love.
I know, but you don't know my mom.
She has no right to insult you. See, my mom believes you have that you charmed me for like 6 years. No child. I know her very well. She's Raz if you don't check her. She's Raz. I know what she can do. Okay? See, I won't have anybody insult you and go scot-free like that. It's not possible.
Baby, listen.
You are the best gift that God gave to me.
Baby, I know you care so much about me. Yes, but I told you, no one can bring me down. No one can make me look less of myself. All we need to do is show your mom some love. Love conquers everything. Babe, listen, I have a mother, and soon I'll become a mother too. Just watch me win her over with my love.
You don't know my mother. You don't know her. My mom can only smile with you when she sees you pregnant. Oh, she has the kind of a baby. I know her very well. Okay?
You know what, baby? Just relax. I don't want this whole scenario to make you feel sad. I don't need this whole scenario to steal your joy away. Listen, I need you to be happy. It shouldn't steal your joy. Remember, love conquers everything. Come here.
Okay.
Mama, good afternoon, ma. Mama, lunch is ready. Should I serve your food?
Are these my clothes?
Yes, Mama.
You washed them?
Yes, I washed them. Mama, let me serve you your food so you eat.
So you washed my clothes? Why
Yes,
didn't you
Mama.
wash all of it?
Mama, some are still outside.
No, I mean you washed these ones. Why didn't you wash my panties with them now? Huh? My undies are soaked in my bathroom. Why didn't you wash them with my clothes?
Mama.
Yes?
You were sleeping. I packed all your clothes. I washed them. I want to start ironing. And you're asking me why I didn't wash your panties. I don't even wash that of my husband. Mama, please. My parents did not raise me to wash people's panties. I cannot wash it. Maybe you wash it after eating.
I said it. I said it. You were not trained well at all. They didn't train you at all. They didn't teach you anything. But that's okay. Since you were not taught at home, I'm ready to teach you here. Now, go upstairs, pack my dirty undies and wash all of them. Have you heard me?
Mama, sorry I cannot though. Every clean girl washes their panties when they are bathing. Me, I can't wash your panties. Moreover, I'm not your slave, I'm your son's wife.
But my son washes my undies for me. Yes. So why can't you do it?
Mama, please, I cannot do it.
Don't you dare walk out on me when I'm talking to you. Are you mad? Rubbish.
Mama.
Yes?
You dare not drag my hair again.
If I drag, what will you do? I not only drag your hair, I pushed you down. What will you do?
Mama, please. Tell the devil you didn't see me. Mama, you dare not try it. You dare not try it. I'm not your slave.
What is going on here? Mama? What's happening here?
Ask your mother.
If anything should happen to me, if anything should happen to me in this world, my blood will be on your head. After suffering, after selling all my wrapper to train you in the university, I come to your house only to be insulted by this thing you call life. To be insulted by this barren witch.
No. Hey. What's going on?
Babe, what happened?
Your mother came into this house in anger. She accused me of bewitching her son, which is you. And yet, I cook for her. I run errands for her. I even went as far as washing her clothes. And just because I didn't wash her undies, your mother called me a barren witch. If that's not enough, she pushed me down and threatened to slap me.
Mama. Mama. Did I hear on this? Pants. Mama, did you ask me? You asked my wife to wash your pants. I don't understand.
What is wrong with that?
As in what? Is she your slave? Oh, you even pushed her down. So they're fighting her. You know what? You leave my house now.
What?
No, you're leaving my house now.
Ah!
What? So these are your clothes. Go in there, pack your stuff, pack your bag, get out from my house.
Ha! I go nowhere.
Leave my house.
I won't go anywhere.
You won't stay here.
Ah!
You can't stay in my house. It's not possible. No, you can't insult her now. For what? Is she your slave? As in what?
You mean this thing you're saying?
Of course. You're leaving. Go in there, move your stuff, get out.
If I leave this house, if I should leave this house, I'll make your life unbearable. I'll make your life miserable. You and this thing, poor wife.
Leave my house. Thank God you're my mother, even not. Let's go. I'ma leave. Don't let me push you. Leave. We had enough. We had enough of you. Leave. Pack your stuff. I know you. Let's go.
Good. What have I done wrong?
No, she's going already, so.
Just help me.
It's okay.
Where am I getting
Come.
wrong? Yes, I'm coming up already. You will see me shortly, relax.
I warned you, useless barren witch. This is just the beginning. If you survive this, I'll come back. I'll make sure that I bury you. I pour sand over your grave. You think you can take my son from me? Rat.
Why will your mother hit my sister with iron? She wants her dead, right? What if she had died during the process of the hit?
You know my mom, she's calling up at the station now. She will surely pay for that. Okay? But I need to see my wife. Her phone is off.
She's not around and she does not want to see you. Neither does she want to have anything to do with you nor any member of your family. It's unfortunate that your mother is a beast.
I need to see my wife. She's all I have. Okay? Please.
Like I said earlier, she is not here. She does not want to see you. I mean, it's barely 2 weeks. Just 2 weeks you traveled. And your mother came to kill my sister. My only sister.
Whenever you know how much I love you, sister. And nobody, I said nobody can separate both of us. Okay? I'm not going to leave you and just come back.
read my lips. She is not here. Thank your stars she's still alive. Else you wouldn't have been here to tell me this rubbish.
But you know how much I love your sister. You know that very well. Nobody, even my mom can never separate us.
Like I said earlier, she is not around. Okay? And I don't even think she will ever in her entire life forgive your mother. She is evil.
Where can I see her?
I don't know. You can use the door.
I saw your sister's husband. What did he go do there?
He came in search of his wife. But as for his mother, he has locked her up. That beast rots in jail.
I'm still wondering, how could a mother be so wicked? I mean, she's lucky she would have seen the other side of me. But that your sister's husband, he looks like a good guy.
I hope you are not eyeing him. He's a no-go area.
Madam, I beg you. I'm so cool with my sugar daddies.
Better. Hello dear. Your husband just left now. I swear to God, your husband loves you so much. He loves you. As for that your wicked mother-in-law, she's in the cell. Yes, your husband locked her up. That beast of a woman will rot in jail. Well, you can come back to the house. He just left. Fine. I'm waiting. Okay.
Nene, you have to forgive her because of God.
Babe, in as much as your mom might have said wrong things to me, you don't have any right to raise your voice at her.
But she has no right to insult you.
I know, baby, listen. Every mother needs a grandchild. We just need to follow her up with love.
I know, but you don't know my mom. She has no right to insult you. See, my mom believes you have you charmed me for like 6 years. No child. I know her very well. She's Raz if you don't check her. She's Raz. I know what she can do. Okay? See, I won't have anybody insult you and go scot-free like that. It's not possible.
Baby, listen.
You are the best gift that God gave to me.
Baby, I know you care so much about me. Yes, but I told you, no one can bring me down. No one can make me look less of myself. All we need to do is show your mom some love. Love conquers everything. Babe, listen, I have a mother, and soon I'll become a mother too. Just watch me win her over with my love.
You don't know my mother. You don't know her. My mom can only smile with you when she sees you pregnant. Oh, she has the kind of a baby. I know her very well. Okay?
You know what, baby? Just relax. I don't want this whole scenario to make you feel sad. I don't need this whole scenario to steal your joy away. Listen, I need you to be happy. It shouldn't steal your joy. Remember, love conquers everything. Come here.
Okay.
Life is deeper than as we see. Well, she later got married to a military boy, Ido. And she was nice to Ido. Ido was also nice to her. By the grace of God, she later conceived. Ido had this terrible experience in military that made him to go closer to God and put all his faith in God.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I'm already in the palace. I'm still here. No, they've not seen me yet. They are having a meeting at the Royal Garden. Yes, Mom. It's okay, I will come see you immediately as I'm done here. Alright, Mom. Bye.
My in-law, Ido.
My king.
You are welcome.
Thank you very much.
You see, it is 7 months since you wedded my daughter. And I made an offer to you, which I know didn't go down well. Probably because I said it in public. And I want to apologize for that now. The purpose of all this is because her twin sister just put to bed. Oh, I want my daughter to be pregnant so that I can carry her baby before joining my ancestors. I want her to be happy so she can forget her past. That's why I called you. If my asking you in public made you angry, I am sorry. Very, very sorry.
Your Highness, you don't have to be sorry. I know you want the best for us. And you want her to be happy too. I did not decline your offer out of pride. That is far from it. Your Highness, all I'm saying is, give us 1 year. Just 1 year, Your Highness. Let us bond well. Let us build our love stronger. Let us get to know each other well and better. That is all I ask, Your Highness. Let us enjoy ourselves for this 1 year. I promise you, my king, next year we will have our child, a baby girl. We will all go Thanksgiving together.
You talk as if you are from the kingdom of the gods. As if you are Chukwu Abiyama.
Your Highness, I am not God, but I'm the Son of God. And I believe in God so much. You see, God said we should believe in Him, that which our hearts desires, and give to us.
It's worrisome. Very, very worrisome, I must say. It's no more funny.
It's okay, I'll put that into consideration, Your Highness. Greetings, Father. Okay. My prince.
Hello.
The princess.
My in-law. A super one at that.
When did you return?
A few days ago, actually.
That's good. And how is my sister keeping up? She's fine. Splendid. Trust me, she's very okay. Okay. Yes. I've heard your conversation with my father. As a matter of fact, if you can actually do what you said, they'll be the happiest parents on the planet. It's obvious. That's why you invited me here. Nothing you see. All I'm asking for is 1 year. This year, you know how it is. All I'm looking for is for we to bond. Let's bond for real. Let's get to know each other better. Build our love on a solid rock. You know how it is. You know what I'm talking about. Father, let's just let them be. Just let them be. Let them bond. And trust me, they'll make you the happiest parents on the planet.
I want Ifatu's happiness. I want to carry her baby before I join my ancestors. I'm not getting younger.
Father, you are still strong.
Oh.
There's so much pressure in these parlors. I'm leaving this place for peace.
Auntie, please, I'm not going to accept any help from you. My husband loves me the way I am.
My husband loves me the way I am. And you believe him? If you can accept to marry me in this condition, why won't I believe him? Auntie, I told you that she will not agree to that. Okay. If they can reject that help, and I think they will accept your help, especially though, you see that man, his faith is out of here. So forget about it. In fact,
a lot of men has given testimony about these herbs. And your husband actually rejected my brother's offer out of pride.
And tell me, why you watch me now? Yeah. Already? And see, I told you not to worry yourself now. You see what you've caused.
I'm only trying to help her.
Auntie, please. I know what you did was out of love, but right now, she has gone. Let me go after her. If I had to.
There's so much pressure in these parlors.
No, Angela. You should be worried about Ikem. He's bent on marrying with that woman. One new fame man. How will the children speak Igbo? Eh? And what if they end up not coming back to the village again? What will happen? Angela. The father rejected the girl. No, they have the son already. The son? Yes. That's the more reason that he refuses to come back to Nigeria. I am so tired about the whole thing. And he even loved this girl more than the truth. Yes, the last encounter he had with his father, he said that hence he had discovered that he do not love his wife, either for him to stay abroad, because we do not care about his happiness. So I don't really know what to do, honestly.
What? Kiss now? Tell me, we don't know what to get. Okay, Mom. In fact, you say you are pregnant. Hey! No. Hey! No. I can't wait. No. Sit down. Oh, sit down. I can't wait for my grandson.
Must it be a son?
Yes! Yes!
Hey! Adania! Adania, we Ah! It's a thing of joy that I like to witness your wedding. Now I'm alive to see your protruding tummy. Hey!
Thank you, my friend.
You call your mount. I'm so happy. Hi! Adania.
That's him.
Don't worry. I will make sure your mother will come when you put to bed.
Yes, that's sure. But Daddy, you promised me to come.
Adam, your mother will come. I will take care of the home front. When I know if I come and start going now, you'll be the one to start crying.
I will not
and make
cry.
me feel guilty.
I'm grown now. I want you to come.
Okay, Navio.
Please, father. Babe, you have to come. Let's go before you miss your flight. Thank you for everything. Oh, you're this baby.
I don't get it. I'm
Damn.
too.
It's okay. She's my wife, I guess. All right, father. We'll see you soon. I don't know where I don't know about my sister.
Adam, yeah.
Bye-bye.
Obi nọ n'Ichado, o nwere akụkọ nje akọlụ gị. Dike ka wetere nwa weta ego. Ọjụ nwa were ego ma jewere onwe ya. Oruze mgbe ndị nna dị batara ojenu ma chọwa nwa. Na-ele m anya n'ihu ọnụ achị ekwe m fuhu ọkụ. Ị na-ele m anya n'ihu ihu ka ihu si atọ ma mụ. Obi nọ n'Ichado, ọkwa n'ihi ọṅụ ka anyị na-ekwu okwu ya Ebube Dike, mmọnwụ agbakwa.
Oh. You never know the strength of a warrior until the comes to become. Oh, thank you, my ancestors. Thank you. Thank you.
There's so much pressure in these balance. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign. Always fighting, every time is battle. Well, what are you fighting for? What are you fighting for? It seems everything is turning against me. I'm deeply in love with you, my baby. Allow me to follow my heart. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Nothing is hidden under the sun. Oh, nothing is hidden under the sun. There's so much pressure in these balance. I'm leaving this place for peace to reign. Always fighting, every time is battle. Well, what are you fighting for? What are you fighting for? It seems everything is turning against me. I'm deeply in love with you, my baby. Allow me to follow my heart. Nothing is hidden under the sun.